I'm Colleen from colleeniscreative.com, and today I am going to be doing an unboxing of a box that I got from Genial Day, and it is it's a company that does baby products, I guess, for lack of a better word. So I've been really curious about these, so I'm excited to do this unboxing today. Real quick, I want to go over what came in the big box and give you a closer look at the items. In this box came the panty. It's a nice beige color with cute lace at the top. And then there's the flap that I talk about later, the insert where you'd put the wings inside. And inside this little box came this pad here. And then in the big box there was a package of 10 pads for regular flow days, a package of 24 liners for regular flow days, and then a package of 8 pads for heavy flow days. And then a whole little pamphlet that goes over the benefits of the product line. The first thing is, I think this is what I was really excited to see. This is called EIVI, so Evie, maybe? I'm not sure how it's pronounced. Oh yeah, see, it is. Okay, cool. I was curious to see how that would work, and now I have some to try, so I'm excited. So, I don't know that these will fit. We'll have to see. And then, so that'll be very excited about that. And then it also came with what looks like a pad, so that'll be good to try. And then a little pamphlet, and so this is 8 pads at super absorbency. Now these are nice because they're more eco-friendly than typical pads. I think they're supposed to be made of, so they don't have the harsh chemicals that you'd normally find in pads, so that's nice. So we have the heavy or flow, 24 of the regular. So are these, okay, so, I was totally wrong. So these are actually, so there's a pocket that you would put the pad into. That's interesting. So, there must be like wings or something. Yep. So you'd put it on the outside. I don't know if you can see that, but you put the pad on the outside like you normally would, and then you'd put the wings in the pocket so that there's nothing showing on the outside. Oh, that's cool. And then let's see, what is this? So 10 full pads with regular flow, 8 full pads for heavy flow, and then 24 liners for regular, and they're all individually wrapped. So neat. And then it came with a little letter. And let's see, these were made to help people who get skin irritations from pads and stuff, and hopefully help solve painful periods, which would be nice if it was as easy as changing your pad in your underwear. So, cool. I'm excited to try this box and all the goodies that came in it. So if you want one, I'm pretty sure you can get the same box from genialday.com, and it came with the liners, the pads, and the panty. So again, if you want to look into it, it's genialday.com. And that was my unboxing. Thanks for watching.